Dude, I cannot believe how many comments I'm getting about this thing looking like a football. Where the hell would anyone get that idea? Check it out, we are in one of the staging areas in the new showroom for Tollgate Revival, which is the business I'm gonna be splitting with in my new building. As you can see, I've got the shop behind me. So with the new showroom, I got to wheeling on wanting to create a couple pieces that complemented the vintage look that Seth brings to Tollgate Revival. And immediately I went to thinking about Live Edge. Now this project started out as of trying to infuse a little bit of industrial look with these cherry slabs that I had, and I was going with this expanded metal river table concept. Scrap this and mill up some walnut. Sam, I need a massive square. I should just karate chop this one. Pah! Perfect. Come here, it's so light. Oh. Up. So, I'm a jackass. I forgot to clean the live edge before I put this in the jig. Shouldn't be an issue. I'll make a couple reference marks, take it out, clean the live edge, square all of these so the stitches fit nice and perfect. We'll make it a little more manageable, and we'll put it back together and glue those suckers in. Staying with the theme of this video, I'm gonna punch everything into place. Tap, tap, taparoo. Just tap it. This one's hard. We're gonna cut some plugs to fill all of those screw holes. And the one thing you just wanna make sure of is that you're going with the grain if you're trying to match the grain. So all the grain on this is going this way. So I'm going to cut them out of this little chunk here in the corner. It does look kind of cool. I'm allergic to walnut. be like, I'll be assembling something and I'll be so giddy about it being close to being done that I don't want to take it apart, and then I end up like having to talk myself into taking it apart just because I know it's the right way to do it.
No, right.
And I'm like,
2/3 of the way.
yeah. Like this is gonna take me 3 minutes to take apart, countersink these, finish sanding them, and then properly finish. But like in my heart of hearts, I 100% did not want to take this thing apart. So thank you for checking out this build. If you want to see a full playlist of all of my live edge builds, I got one queued up for you right here. I also want to thank my sponsor on this build, Woodcraft. I've got a link down in the description. Definitely go check them out. And lastly, thank you one more time for tuning in. Go punch your next project in the face, and I'll see you in the next video. Long distance.